Have you ever heard of a chicken that isn't white or brown, but jet black? Yes, you heard that right. There's a unique breed of chicken with black feathers, black skin, and even black meat. This rare bird is called the black chicken, and many people see it as a superfood. Why? Because it's packed with lean protein, low in fat, and full of rare nutrients that most regular chicken doesn't offer. Across Asia, especially in countries like China, Korea, and Vietnam, black chicken is believed to boost your energy, help with skin health, and even make you live longer. No wonder this bird is gaining so much attention. Every year, farmers raise around 350,000 black chickens to meet the growing demand. People buy it not only for cooking, but also for use in traditional medicine. But where do these black chickens come from? How are they raised? What makes them so special? Let's explore the journey of these amazing birds, from egg to table. It all starts with an egg. On black chicken farms, everything begins with a carefully selected egg. Unlike normal farms, here the temperature and humidity are carefully managed. The eggs are placed in large incubators that turn them regularly. This helps keep the baby chick inside healthy and ready to hatch. After several days, small cracks appear on the shells. One by one, the baby black chicks break through and step into the world. These are the first chicks of the season, and every one of them is special. They're tiny, fuzzy, and yes, even their feathers look darker than regular chicks. But hatching is only the beginning. A warm welcome for the chicks. After hatching, the chicks are moved to a special area called the brooding room. This is like a warm nursery for baby birds. It has infrared heating systems that keep the temperature cozy and stable. If the room gets too cold or too hot, the chicks can get sick or stressed. So, farmers check the temperature several times a day. The chicks also get their first food, nutrient-rich starter feed that's easy to digest. For the next few weeks, they eat, sleep, and grow. Their fluffy feathers start turning into smooth, black adult feathers. Their legs get stronger, and their movements become more confident. When they're strong enough, it's time to move to a bigger home. Moving day. Life in a larger coop. Now that the black chicks have grown a bit, they're ready to live in a larger space. This new area is more open, with more room to walk, flap their wings, and socialize. Their diet also changes. Instead of just starter feed, they now get a mix of pellets, grains, and ground seeds. These are packed with nutrients that help the chickens grow fast and stay healthy. Clean water is always available, and farmers often add vitamins to it to boost their immune system. At this stage, the chickens are kept under close watch. Farmers check their weight, feathers, and behavior to make sure they're on the right track. And once they reach the ideal size and weight, it's time for the next step. Time for processing. Clean and careful. When the black chickens are fully grown, healthy, and reach the right weight, they're sent for processing. This stage is handled very carefully to make sure the meat stays clean and safe to eat. First, the chickens are washed with clean, cold water. Then, they go through several steps where their feathers, blood, and other impurities are removed. Everything is done under strict hygiene rules to make sure no bacteria or dirt remains. Workers wear gloves, masks, and aprons. They use special tools and machines to speed up the process, but also keep it gentle on the meat. After this, the black chicken meat is ready, fresh, dark, and full of nutrients. A nutritional powerhouse. What makes it special? So what exactly makes black chicken so healthy? First, it's rich in protein, the kind that helps build muscle and repair tissues. Second, it's low in fat, which is good for people watching their weight or managing heart health. Third, and most importantly, it's filled with collagen and essential amino acids. These are building blocks for skin, bones, and the immune system. That's why in many cultures, black chicken is used in healing soups, especially for people recovering from illness, surgery, or childbirth. And it's not just about health. The taste is unique too. The meat is slightly sweeter, firmer, and has a deep flavor that regular chicken doesn't have.
Cooking the black chicken. Flavor meets tradition. Now comes the delicious part, how people cook it. Black chicken is often used in traditional herbal soups. These recipes may include ingredients like ginseng, goji berries, red dates, and angelica root. Together, they create a warm, healing dish that's both tasty and nutritious. In other places, the chicken is stewed with mushrooms, boiled with spices, or stir-fried with vegetables. The key is to cook it in a way that preserves its natural taste and nutrients. Some chefs say the best way is slow cooking, so the flavor has time to develop. Others say the meat is perfect for hot pot or clay pot dishes. Whichever way it's cooked, one thing is clear: black chicken is more than food. It's a symbol of care and health. From rare bird to culinary star, not long ago black chickens were hard to find. They were mostly raised in small villages, served during festivals, or used in old family recipes. But today, they are gaining popularity across the globe. You can find black chicken in health food stores, Asian supermarkets, and even on the menu of fine restaurants. In many Asian cultures, black chicken is seen as a symbol of strength, purity, and healing. Some people even believe it helps fight aging and boosts fertility. Whether or not all those claims are true, one thing is certain: this dark feathered bird has captured the world's attention.